Thermochromic Pigment DIY. Let's do a fun DIY today. Prepare a pair of white shoes first. Use thermochromic pigment and transparent emulsion. The thermochromic pigment that I use here can change color at 31 degrees Celsius. Pour out an appropriate amount of powder and emulsion and stir evenly. Now it's our coloring session. The shoes with the minion pattern are ready. Get out the hairdryer. It's time for the fun. Look, change color. Try it out with a friend and she's playing too. Color-changing shoes are so interesting.